gotta get some food, stuff, Mom.
Oh,
Hey,
first we
Mom.
gotta go pray, okay?
You like that?
That was really intense. That was our first experience. We just walked into the mall, and I don't know, maybe it's fate. Just kidding, Mom. That was the first time we got to hear a call of prayer, and it was at the mall. How funny is that? All right.
Yeah, look at that.
Whoa,
That's a leopard.
It's a leopard. You say bye-bye, I love you.
I love you.
Bye. She's like, no, don't leave.